Hawaii Center.
Thank you very much. Welcome to Fox 13 Hot Hawaiian Nights with the Peter Moon Band. And we start off with a song we just recorded this year called Ko'ali. Ocean Kauai.
A song that takes you to the island of Maui, to a town that's still filled with a lot of aloha. A place that takes about 2 hours to get from Kahului to the winding roads and the cliffs. A song that talks about the scent of lipo as it blows in from the sea, the crashing of waves on a cliff that can be heard in Pu'uiki and Hamoa, and the love of people in each and every house. For all the Hawaiians on Maui, Ko'ali.
Features the loveliest member of our band, Heilani Yun from Kauai. Heilani Yun.